Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, April 29th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have quite a few activities to do. The first activity is a compare and contrast discussion post. You have some sentences here, and you are going to put different signal words. And here are the signal words to choose from. You can also challenge yourself and create your own sentences. All right. Your next activity is page 58, part 1A and B, and part 2A and B in the book. When you're done, take a picture, make sure it's clear I can see the answers, and post. Your next activity is another activity in the book, page 62. You will do part 2A and B on page 62 and part 3A and B on page 63. Here is the audio for page 62 and the audio for page 63. So you will take a picture and upload when you are finished. That's it for async. It's Thursday, so we have class together in sync. So we are going to work on our first article for our racial inequality topics. And remember, I had asked you to have a notebook section or some papers separate so you can start collecting your evidence for your topic. So make sure you have all of that with you. And that's it for today. Good luck.